Hi guys, welcome to Easy on It with Sithole. Guys, we are in Everton, guys. We are in Everton. It's my first time here. We are here to shoot a podcast with Lebo Basadi. I want to show you around, guys. I want to show you where they stay, where their house is. So I have somebody. I'm gonna meet somebody who's gonna show us like what's up. Let's go.
Hi, welcome to Lebo Basadi Foundation. I'm Tandega Banga. This is Lebo Basadi Foundation. This is a safe place. We call it a safe house. So we have victims staying here. So basically we're still we are renovating this place. We have a place this side, so we're making it big. It was only this side, so now at least
also you are extending to the other side.
We also have one office this side.
Do you have other office? Which side? This
side, yeah.
Oh, so this is still you.
This is still us.
Okay. Let's show us around what's up here.
Okay,
let's go, guys.
You're welcome. As I've said, I'm the administrative officer. This is my chair. This is my table. This is the office.
I see.
This is the office, as you can see, the posters. This is what we do. This is what we do. This is our mission, our vision, our values. The information where to get us and the location of the Lebo Basadi as we are in Everton West.
Wait. It says right here. Can you please show there? It says a mission, a vision, and values
of the Lebo Basadi Foundation.
I see.
Yeah. Okay. Then you space in the extension 11 here. It's extension the area we are. Extension 11. The founder of this place is Nontlantla Simelani. And then this is.
Hello guys, my name is Larato Mafuma. I'm a finance officer and /HR. This is my table. This is where I'm working. Thank you.
This is where you're giving people.
Stress where we calculate.
Alright, okay.
Thank you, Lerato. And then this side also we have two beds, the survivor.
Okay.
We have a survivor who sleeps in here.
Okay, so this is a survivor space.
Yes.
Okay.
This is a survivor space. This is a bedroom. As you can see the two beds.
You can see
this is actually the match. The match banner.
Oh, so you hold these when you guys are matching?
When we are matching.
So you match when there's like something happens?
The prides. Even when we're supporting the victims at the courts.
I see. No, this is nice, man.
Yeah, thank you. And we also have the other side here.
Let's go.
This is also the victim place.
Okay.
The other ones, the two beds are at that side.
Then there's another one here as well. I see.
The other two. We also have the bathroom where they can bath.
Okay, there's like a bathroom.
The bathroom, bathroom, the toilets.
I see. This is nice. Please go in and show there. Just a little bit. Perfect.
And then we have a kitchen.
Okay, this
where
is
everything is happening.
This is where the cooking stuff happens. Okay.
The cooking.
I see. Let's come through here. Oh, so this is your kitchen.
This is our kitchen.
No, I see. Okay.
Our mother cooks for us in here.
Where's your mother?
She just left.
Mother, don't run away.
She ran away.
Oh, there she is. Okay, alright. I see. Oh, she's shout out.
Thank you, mother.
You're welcome. And then, as I've said, we also have
because you said it's like two places and stuff. Okay.
So
please come
we have
Okay.
Mostly media.
Oh, media stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why you saw putting it administrative
Yes,
officer, and then finance.
Yeah.
So media, comfortable ngapha.
Okay.
Together with umphathi.
News. Hello. Engineering.
So this is Ulebo. The Lebo Basari Foundation.
So Lebo is named after the foundation.
Actually Lebo was adopted by both Umama and the founder of the Lebo Basari Foundation.
I see.
And then they Maba registered it was Mulebo Head. And then because they are banning Mulebo so go on a register the names is and then we became for Ilebu. After her Sati Ilebu, and then we added in Vasad in vendor. I was actually dating a vendor guy.
When this thing
and then he translated the Lebu into Levu. It's Levu in Venda. Yes, and then it's Lebu Basadi Foundation. Ulobu kula nayo. Yes, since from 7 months till now she's 13.
Alright, thank you.
Our office, our show around this is a house, ne? So we only come in here.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
You're welcome.
Welcome to my mini studio and office.
Okay.
So my name is Utapsi Mabizani. I am the media and programs manager as well as our managing director. So this is management room actually. So we wouldn't say one, it's management. My management to this nice pure soul of mine. Yes. So this is our office. Whenever we're running our media, we prefer to have a very quiet space to be able to work with good advocacy work when it comes to queer displacement and understanding sexual orientation and gender identities. We are able to carry out good digital marketing, and yes, this is where I would also do my fundraising on the media to see how we can fundraise to different donors so that they can help us making this organization big.
Because you have like people to feed, you have clothes, you have shelter as well, you have blankets and stuff.
It's blankets, it's just a whole lot. So end of the day, this is the only space that we have, including our managing director. We have a very good relationship. We work together. So my party does not like me calling party. I call him party, but we call each other partners because we sit here and we arrange and we find job descriptions. We're able to do, because I work with EBOT secretary work as well at the same time. Remember I told you that's my initiated work that I was here for, and now I have to be the acting media and programs manager so we can uplift our media advocacy work, because I'm a person of policies, strategic planning, into media. I'm also into secretarial work and job descriptions, finding the structure of an organization. I'm a builder. I'm an organizational builder. That's what I do.
No, thank you to meet you. And thank you to meet you as well. We still have to go and sit down, guys. There's a lot that is we're gonna chit chat about it. Please stay tuned until the podcast, until the sit down start. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Every time we drop anything, you'll be notified. Thank you.